Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pearl, and in this video we will be doing side income cash stuffing. If you're interested, keep watching. So today I'm going to be doing cash stuffing of my side income that I did last week. And there's going to be a couple changes going on. First, let's go over what I earned. Let me move this out the way. First, I sold 2 wallets on Poshmark, and that was $52. So here's the cash right here. I do have some other items, Coach items, that I am selling on Poshmark, and I will leave the link in the description box below. 2 that I just recently added was this wallet right here. This is a Coach trifold wallet. It's if you like small wallets, this is ideal for like a crossbody or so forth. It has multiple card slots. It has an opening here on this side as well as this side, and then it has a full bill compartment. And I use this for my cash clips. Had no issues with it. Also has a coin section right here. Only thing is the pull tab is missing. Okay. And my other wallet is also a Coach wallet. This is the accordion wallet. It has a card slot here, and then it has a zip around, and you have 2 compartments on each side. It has, I think, 12 card slots. Section here, and then you also have your coin section here. So for those out there who use not cash envelopes, but maybe you have like sections or the smaller envelopes, this would be ideal. Again, I will leave the link in the description box below so you can check out my Poshmark shop. Okay, let's get started. So again, I did Poshmark, $52. Uber Eats this week, I made $214.73. DoorDash, I did $50.25. And this week, I tried out Instacart. I've done it in the past, but since I hurt my ankle, I totally did not want to do any Instacart for a while. But this Sunday, I decided to do 2 orders, and they were very small orders. So with Instacart, you can go through, and when batches are available, because I don't really schedule time anymore, I just look and see what batches are available. You can see what items the customer wants you to shop for. So if there's any case of water, large, heavy items, if it says heavy payload, I just move past it. So I did 2 orders, and that came out to $37.59. For a grand total, let me bring this up to you guys, grand total of $354.57, and that was for Thursday through Sunday, and I didn't work that many hours. I only go out for like 2.5, 3 hours tops, Friday, Saturday, and then I did maybe a couple hours on Sunday. Okay, so that being said, put that aside, and I have my money from Poshmark here, and then I went and did my withdrawals. So I am going to put the money in my dividers right now. all the money's in the tray. So let's talk about making some changes. So I really want to get my debt journey underway, make some heavy payments towards my debt, and I'm going to make a video detailing what my debt story looks like and how much money I need to pay off. So I decided to pause the closet. So any money, whatever money I have in here, I'm just going to put towards debt. So let's see. I have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, $150. So that is going to go to the side. Anything that's left over in my tray, it will also go to debt. Okay, so let's see here. So first up is car maintenance, refrigerator, Christmas, vacation, and gifts. And I might tweak it a little bit more. We'll see how that works out. So for car maintenance, let me zoom you in just a little bit. So for car maintenance, that gets $30. So now car maintenance has 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2. So it's now, my balance now is 182, which $100 of that will be going towards an oil change for my daughter's car. She has a Volkswagen Jetta diesel. Diesel oil changes are $100. Had no clue. So it's a good thing that I started this car maintenance envelope, because she would have no money, or we would have no money, because she's still in college. She's actually graduating in July. So it would all fall on me. So $100 will be coming out of this towards oil change. Next is refrigerator, and refrigerator gets $75. 40, 50, 60, 70, and 5. So now refrigerator has 20. I do this every time. Keep forgetting I have some 50s in there. So refrigerator now has 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. $440. Not bad. Got a lot, way more to go. Okay, so 440. Next up is Christmas. And Christmas will be getting $25. I'm trying to save $500. That's my goal. I'm not going any more over that. Last year I spent way too much money. It was my grandbaby's first Christmas, so you know, I just went ahead and went all out. But this year I have 5 people to purchase for, and each person gets $100 budget. That's it. So $25. do 10, 20, and 5. Jeez. Okay. So now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So 195. Okay. Next up will be vacation. And vacation is getting $25 as well. I may need to bump this up because a friend of mine wants to go on a trip in November. So I need to figure out a dollar amount, and I might need to increase that. So 25, I'm gonna do 20. And let me do 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So 95. And last is gifts, and gifts will get $10. So I'll do a 5 and 5 ones. So now we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so this completes the sinking funds. I'm still deciding. I have to work through my budget for my paycheck coming up this Friday, and that will determine if I will be doing sinking funds on that paycheck as well, because I will be driving down to Florida this week, and actually on Friday, so I'll have to pay for gas and toll and food on the road, so I have to add those items in, so I might not be able to do sinking funds for this week through my paycheck. It matters to me because I want to keep on adding to these funds, but sometimes things happen and you won't be able to do so. Now the remainder of the money that was in my closet, I'm going to put into my debt snowball. So let's see, I'm just going to count how much this right here is. And let's see. So all of this will be going towards debt snowball. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so looks like 421. 1, 2, will be added to this envelope right here, and it's quite thick. I'm just gonna stuff it in there, and at the end of the month, which will probably be this week. Well, it's definitely going to be this weekend. I'm going to count it all and make some debt payments. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. And again, I will leave my link in the description box below to my Poshmark shop, as well as if you're interested in these envelopes, I will leave the link in the description box as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.